This is Brain Lion Institute, episode 21 Inflammation, the uninvited guest that blocks your evolution. Inflammation is like a guest who shows up uninvited, eats your food, and refuses to leave. And the worst part, it blocks your evolution without you even realizing it. Have you ever felt like you are doing everything right, but your body still pulls you towards sugar, pastries, or some old habit you thought you were done with? That pull isn't weakness, it's inflammation, plus old neural pathways working together. When your system is inflamed, the body isn't asking for pleasure, it's asking for relief. That's why cravings feel stronger. That's why willpower feels weaker. That's why your energy drops, your emotions swing, and your discipline disappears. Some of the biggest inflammation triggers are ultra processed foods, sugar spikes, chronic stress, poor sleep, alcohol, seed oils, environmental toxins, and unprocessed emotional load. But here's the good news, the body responds fast. Omega 3 lowers it, movement lowers it, nature lowers it, breath lowers it, better sleep lowers it. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to create enough safety in your body so that the old pathways stop running the show. When inflammation goes down, clarity goes up, cravings go down, intuition goes up, and the real you finally comes online. Thank you.